How about that look by Rondo?
If you run, you will be Rondo. High step pass deflected by Gortat. Oh, fancy pass. Pierce for three. Puts it in. Little flash there from Rajon Rondo. And the Celtics have a 10-point lead. Timeout, Orlando. They look to push. Lob to Garnett. Garnett had 2 field goals the entire game, too.
Oh, that's a dangerous move by Rondo. And able to get it back and toss it down. Celebrating for 3. And it looks like Rondo is...
Rondo with 13.
Oh, nice pass.
Wow. And Davis gets it. And Rondo comes up with his second assist. And that threw everybody off defensively for Chicago, and that prompts a timeout by Vinny Del Negro. What a pass by Rajon Rondo.
Boston is 2-9 against Atlanta, Cleveland, Orlando, and they're just 1-8 at home against teams over 500.
They come up with the steal here. Rondo goes around the world to Tony Allen.
Now that's the Celtics at their best. They are playing excellent defense here tonight. Now, if you've been watching in this first half, the passing by Denver has been extremely
Take the lead. That's one of the third. Oh, yeah. By Rondo to KG.
What a great play. That was Rondo's 14th assist.
Times have changed. Rondo sidesteps. Nice pass. Allen throws it down. He has to hang on the rim with Fisher below. Oh, great play from Allen. We've seen a couple of superb dunks from Tony Allen. And Rondo. Pierce. Rondo. Ball fake. Capone. Again.
Beautiful. Take him to the streets, Rondo, and then hey, fellas, meet me at the rim. My goodness.